Different types and subtypes of merchant ships. Merchant ships, also called commercial ships or trading vessels, are any watercraft that transports cargo or passengers from one place to another on different bodies of water, such as the oceans, seas, lakes, channels, canals, and rivers. Merchant ships carry different cargoes in solid, liquid, or gaseous form. These cargoes determine their types and subtypes. According to the International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea or SOLAS, there are only two types of merchant ships: passenger ships and cargo ships. Passenger ships are vessels that carry more than 12 passengers. Passenger ships are further classified into subtypes. The second type of merchant ship is cargo ships, which are any vessels that are not passenger ships. Cargo ships have more subtypes depending on the cargo they carry, but they are basically dry cargo ships and liquid cargo ships. Let's start with the subcategories of passenger ships. 1. Cruise ships. Cruise ships carry people in luxurious experiences and valuable amenities. 2. Expedition cruise ships. Built for adventure travel such as navigating remote regions like the Arctic, Antarctica, or the Galapagos Islands. 3. River cruise ships. Designed for navigating rivers with a focus on cultural experiences, scenic landscapes, and historical landmarks along the waterways. 4. Ocean liners. Ocean liners are built mostly for transoceanic voyages and value speed rather than luxury for their trips. 5. RoPax or Ro-Ro passenger vessels. RoPax is a roll-on/roll-off cargo vessel with the capability of carrying a limited number of passengers. 6. Ferries. Ferries transport people, vehicles, or even freight over short and fixed routes. 7. High-speed crafts. Also known as fast crafts, these ships carry passengers in high speeds of 25 knots and above. The second type of merchant ship is the cargo ship. For dry cargo ships, here are the vessels that belong to its subtypes. 8. Bulk carriers. Merchant ships that carry loose cargo in bulk, such as ore, grain, and coal. 9. General cargo ships, also called a multi-purpose vessel or MPV. This subtype of dry cargo ship doesn't fall into any specific category as it can transport a wide variety of products. 10. Container ships. Merchant ships carry cargo in containers or boxes. 11. Reefer or refrigerated ships. Reefers carry fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, and other frozen products. 12. Heavy lift ships. Heavy lift ships carry huge and heavy cargoes that don't fit in containers, tanks, or any conventional means of stowage. 13. Ro-Ro vessels. Ro-Ro vessels use wide ramps in their stern to roll on and off their wheeled and non-wheeled cargoes carried on trailers or wheeled equipment. 14. Livestock carriers. Also called cattle ships, these vessels transport livestock like sheep, horses, cows, goats, and camels. 15. U-boat ships. Carries a combination of cargoes of oil, bulk, and ore. 16. Log ships. These ships carry lumber or wood and other wooden commodities. For liquid bulk carriers, also known as tankers, here are the different kinds of ships that belong to this subtype. 17. Crude oil carriers. Crude carriers are tanker ships designed to carry crude oil in their tanks. 18. Product tankers. Product tankers carry refined petroleum products such as gasoline, jet fuel, fuel oils, and asphalt. 19. Chemical tankers. These ships have stainless steel tanks that carries liquid chemicals in bulk. 20. Oil/chemical tankers. These vessels are designed to carry both petroleum products and a few classes of chemicals. 21. Gas tankers. Carries gaseous chemicals that are liquefied after pressurization or refrigeration. 22. Dedicated carriers. These ships are designed to carry a single type of cargo throughout their lifetime. Examples of these ships are fruit juice carriers, orange tankers, and dedicated wine carriers. 23. There are other types of merchant ships operating in rivers and canals that are often overlooked, and these are the barges. Barges have flat bottoms and long decks that carry dry or wet cargo, including chemicals. These are the different types and subtypes of merchant ships that you can find on the high seas, rivers, and canals. Which of these ships would you want to work on? Please like, share, and subscribe.